Hello everyone, happy to meet you all once again in this video. Let's jump on to the vibe trades. The markets are currently bullish. We don't care what the analyst says. We don't care about the media. We just go by simple technical analysis using exponential moving average of 20, 50 and 200 plus the volume and the stock price. That's it. So I have 10 stocks in my portfolio at this point of time. Do not copy. I'm just recording this to track my own performance and test my algo. So let's jump on to the portfolio. The current stock holdings based on the vibe positional trades are this, and then now I'm going to talk about fact, right? And we are sitting on 43% profit as of today, and the average cost was 321. And today, last traded price, the market close yesterday was 461. And let's see the trades. You see, you can put 50,000 or 1 lakh, whatever you want to do. My positions are just 10 stocks, exit, entry based on the algo which I have developed. And these are simple positional trades. So I've bought the stock on 6th of June, and these are the average prices. And let's look into the charts, right? So on a long term, here has been some consistent accumulation. You can see green small volumes. Let's zoom it here. So these are the accumulation volumes for fact. And then there has been a drastic increase, and then the stock has fallen, right? But let's observe this carefully. The volumes are drying up, which means the continuous fall in stock price is not supported by large volumes. Large green volume candles indicates enormous volume of buyers. On the contrary, if you zoom it, there are no large red volume candles. That means the institutional players are selling it off to trick you, giving a signal the stock is continuously falling so that you will exit, and then when you exit the position, they can scoop up the remaining stock. And you see it just touched the 200 moving average and then bounced back, right? And then you can see again the large institutional players come in and then buy the stocks again, right? And then they kind of accumulated the stocks. Here is the resistance. I'll just minimize this, and you can see that here is some kind of resistance here, right? This area. And then when you this is going to be act as a huge resistance now. Now let's zoom into it. And then it again bounced on 50-day moving average. You can see it's a classic example of how the institutional investors trick the retail investors, right? You can see the candles volume, the size of the candles continuously reduce. The volatility is getting tight. Volatility is nothing but the difference between the open and close, or the spreads, or whatever you call. For me, it's so simple. I keep things simple. The larger the candle, the larger the volatility. May it be an increase or decrease. Now you can see that the candles have been continuously reducing in size, and the volumes are getting dried up, and then there is a pop. You see, what I did is put a line here and entered a position on 6th of June 2023 here, right? And then what happened is there is a small pop. There's a small increase, but I did a mistake there. Actually, I should have waited for a complete breakout here and then bought the stock. However, I was confident because I had my algo saying that, you see here, fact, it gave me a signal on 6/6/2023 buy, right? So I believed my algo, and then I bought it here, right? And then the next 3 days, volumes are drying up, and then sudden burst of volume. And then you see there's a large green volume candle, which means actively people are buying. And then whenever there is a drop in stock price, the red volume candles are significantly smaller. So let's assume like I've bought it at a price of 321 or 322 as an average. Let's be on the close, it's somewhere around 43% profit. Now this is the first trade which I've taken, and that's one of my positions. When I'll sell, when my algo sells, when my algo asks me to sell it, I'll exit the position. So this is no way a replacement for any kind of passive investing or mutual fund investing or index investing. There's just a positional trade. You look into the market are bullish, find out the strong stocks and find out the all-time high stocks and just ride the trend, right? You see how beautiful the 20 moving average, the green line here is. It contracted and then it expands. The 50 moving average supported the stock price. The 200 moving average is nice and steady and up, and you can see that the large green candles in the volume, which indicates institutional accumulation. And if you'll see on a weekly candle, that's even more classic. You see here, it's fantastic. So these stock price drop are not supported by red candles, large volume candles. So institutional investors are scooping up as much as they can, giving you a wrong signal that the stock is falling in price, to make sure the retail investors sell so that they can scoop up whatever stock is remaining, and then boom, goes up, and then boom, goes here, right? So that's how they play with tricks. So what essentially I'm doing here is, I don't care about the fundamentals, I don't care what the media says. All I care is my portfolio, or my algo tells me what are the strong stocks, and I filter for trend, I filter for volume, and that's it. Simple. So when my algo says fact, buy it on 6/6/2023, at the next day or the same day I go and buy it. And this algo is still under development, and I just wanted to make sure the algo makes life simple, make trading easy, and which is why I'm developing it. And hope you like this trade. Again, I'm not a financial influencer. I don't want you to follow my trades. I don't want you to follow me. All I'm trying to do is trying to record this video to assess my own algo, as well as to assess my own stock performance and re-evaluate the trades. If you trade based on this video, the risk is all yours, and I'm no way responsible for all your financial losses or the gains. It's all your own risk. And let's catch up in the next video. I'll be reviewing all the stocks, all 10 stocks in my portfolio, what positions I enter, and then update when I exit. This is not real time. I'm not going to do it daily basis. I'll be adding this video whenever I get time. It could be, you could ask me why I've not recorded this video on 6 June, because just simply I don't have time. When my algo says buy, I buy it here, and then I'm recording it. Today is a public holiday here, so I'm recording this video. And when my algo says exit, I'll exit it. Hope you like this video. Let's stay in touch.